He must have nobility in management. He must have the courage to take important decisions. When a failure comes to him, he owns that. He becomes the owner of the failure. And when a success comes, he gives the success to his people. Must have a vision. Without a vision, you cannot be a leader.
So let's welcome our next speaker, who was really motivated, and what should I say? Actually, he inspired me to organize the competition. So let's welcome our next speaker. It's Mutakabbir Hassan Jarif. Sir, Jarif sir, please come to the stage and talk. Well, it's your time.
Hello, beautiful people and respected judges and the teachers of mine. How are you? Thank you. I'm Mutakabbir Hassan Jarif and I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Do you know why I am here today? Well, I'm here to talk about what are the things that makes you a great leader. So at first we need to know what is the definition of leadership. Is there anyone who can tell me what is the definition of leadership? Well, leadership is the ability to influence, motivate and guide individuals, people to achieve a common goal. Leadership is not a rank. Leadership is not a position. It's a choice. It's a decision. Okay. So now we need to know what are the things necessary for being a good leader or a great leader. So is there anybody who can tell me what are the things that are necessary for being a great leader? No one? So let me tell you. I will tell you some great qualities and virtues that every leader should have. So let's start. A leader leads their people through examples. Secondly, he acts intelligently. A leader empowers others. A leader shows empathy in everything. A leader engages with active listening and speaking. A leader should be confident. A leader should have the priority for his people's growth. And now are the main things that a leader should have. The leader must have a vision. Without a vision, you cannot be a leader. Secondly, the leader must know how to manage success or failure. When a failure comes to him, he owns that. He becomes the owner of the failure. And when a success comes, he gives the success to his people. Now, he must know how to manage things. And he must have nobility in management. He must have the courage to take important decisions for his people. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. I really appreciate you. Hope you have a great day.